Hello and welcome back to our channel, where today we're going to show you how to make a classic favorite, pepperoni pizza. This is one of the easiest pizzas to make, so let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and of course, pepperoni. You can also add any additional toppings of your choice. To begin, take your pizza dough and roll it out into a thin, round shape. Make sure the edges are slightly thicker to hold the toppings. Next, spread a generous amount of tomato sauce on top of the dough, making sure to leave some space around the edges for the crust. Now, it's time to add the cheese. Sprinkle a good amount of mozzarella cheese all over the pizza, making sure it's evenly distributed. Finally, it's time to add the pepperoni. Place the pepperoni slices all over the pizza, making sure to cover as much surface area as possible. And there you have it, folks. Our delicious pepperoni pizza is ready to be cooked. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake the pizza for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And just like that, our perfect pepperoni pizza is ready to be served. Slice it up and enjoy with your favorite beverage. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on our channel.